Today, we are going to be installing a Gabriel ReadyMount complete strut assembly on a 2019 Ford F150 4x4, but the steps are the same for a 2014 through 2020. On screen is a list of tools required to do this job. Once you have your vehicle safely raised and supported, remove the wheel. Because we are disconnecting the upper ball joint very soon, we need to disconnect these lines in order to allow them to extend further without them breaking. We are disconnecting the axle nut here because the axle has to be removed from the knuckle to allow extra travel to remove the strut. Make sure to use the pry bar to support the upper control arm, because when you release the upper ball joint, the control arm is under pressure, which can cause the knuckle to quickly fall towards you. After the ball joint is separated, a bungee cord is used to secure the steering knuckle to the frame to keep it out of the way. Use the bottle jack to support the lower control arm when removing the lower mounting nuts. The strut is very close to the axle, and that is why we bungee corded it earlier. Make sure that the strut is far enough away so that the bolts don't damage the CV boot. Remove the 3 upper mounting nuts, but don't confuse them with the center nut. Do not remove the center nut, as doing so would release the spring, which would cause an injury. Again, be careful when removing the nuts. Make sure you are not removing the center nut. This time, we are going to use the bottle jack to lift the control arm so that we can line up the bolts. Torque the mounting bolts to your particular vehicle specifications. Use the pry bar to position the upper control arm. Be careful because the control arm is under pressure. Thanks for joining us today. If you have technical questions, please call us toll-free at 800-999-3903.